up, it gives you all the alarms if you have any, and part counts and things like that, and the whether you're in auto or manual and what recipe you pick. To get here, you'd need a password, which we've passworded into it. This changes the times, so the supervisor has control of the recipe, but not the operator. On this, we're going to start with the right side, which is one end of the tube. We're at gas valve opening of 40% and the speed of the blower at 35%. For idling, in between parts, we're at 20 and 10. That just keeps it lit, so I don't have to relight it every time. The heat time is 13 seconds. Oscillation is, we're going to move those torches a little so they don't sit in one spot. The air time after the process is over will cool apart for 10 seconds. The water will cool it for another 20 seconds. All right, so we'll load apart now. We're having to improvise because the ends of this tube weren't correct for the samples, but it's good enough for the demonstration. So we put the part you're trying to braze in, and then we slide the shim underneath there. There's pressure on it, so when it brazes, it'll go where it's supposed to be. And then we're going to hit cycle start. Now you would normally hit both cycle starts because you'd load both sides and do them at once. We'll show you one side at a time. Torches rock in. You'll notice after a few seconds that they will lower down. That's just so we're not sitting in one place too long. And you can see the braze happening. And about now the torches will pull out. And the air will come on. The air is cooling it so that it's safe to hit with water so it doesn't crack. And then the water will come on, cooling everything down and washing away the flux residue. And then we'll pull the part out and we'll look at the braze. Now you can play with all these times. It's just whatever you need to shorten the time, you can. As long as it's safe enough that these things are cool enough to handle. This is obviously cool enough to handle. That's cool enough to handle. Now we can take the tube out. You would take them out in a different order because you put this one in first and then that one in. But this shows the braze, and it's brazed all the way around. So that's it.